Hey everyone, it's Anissa, the Crafty author. Welcome to Sewing Talk Tuesday. So, what have I been working on in the craft room this week? Well, not much. I've been pretty busy. Work has kept me pretty busy and out of the craft room this week, but I did get something finished. So I am going to go ahead and share that with you. For those of you who are new and you don't know what Sewing Talk Tuesday is, Sewing Talk Tuesday is when we get together every Tuesday and we talk about projects that I've been working on. It could be a project that I finished or something that I've just started or progress that has been made and whatnot. And you can put your questions down in the comment section. And you can also share the things that you are working on. So I would really love for you to do that. So feel free to do that. I also have a private Facebook group if you're interested in joining there and sharing your projects there. The links are below in the description box. So be sure to check that out. Okay. So you may have remembered I took my 2.5-year-old grandson shopping with me at Joann's because I needed to make a booster seat for him or something for him to sit on because he has this hard plastic booster seat and he really doesn't like it. I think probably because it hurts his butt because it's so hard, you know? And those little plastic seats that come with it, you know, there's no cushion in that. So anyway, he's a big boy now and he wants to sit in the big boy chair. So no more booster seat. So I had to get kind of creative with what I was going to do for that. So I bought 2 pieces of foam at Joann's and then I let him pick out the fabric that he wanted. And of course, as you know, he picked out Woody and Buzz from Toy Story. So, so I went ahead and I did that and I worked on it today, and it only took me about 10 minutes to throw this together, so it's very simple. So if you yourself are looking for an easy project like that, this is it. So all I did was cut 3 15.5-inch squares, and I just put a piece of batting on one of them and I quilted it. I didn't get fancy because you know this is going to get filthy dirty. I mean, honestly, I'll be surprised if this looks like this next Sunday after he's been here. It's going to be a mess. But I needed something that I could tear off and take off and wash. So that's what I did. And I just made it an envelope style opening in the back. So like it would be as if I was making a pillow. And so that's what I did. I just basically made a pillow cover for it. And there's the opening. You can't see anything unless I lift that up, and then you see the foam. I will say it was a little hard to put this inside, the foam inside, because there's 2 pieces of it, and that foam is really, it wants to stick to everything. So you just kind of have to work with it and move it around a tad. But other than that, I mean, it was fairly simple and it turned out really cute. So again, I cut the foam pieces down. So I cut them down to 14, no. How big did I make those? 13 inches. So it was 13 inches square is what I made them. And then I cut these pieces 15.5 inches. So all 3 fabric pieces were 15.5. And I did that because I knew I had 2 pieces of this foam. So I wanted to make sure that it would fit. Now there's a little bit of overlap here. Not a whole lot, but some. But you know what? I don't care because like I said, this isn't like a pillow that's going on a bed or on a couch. It's going to be sat on and it's going to have chocolate milk spilled on it and food. And so it just needed to be something that could be immediately removed, washed, and put back on. So that is what I have done for this week. That's it. And so please share with me what you're working on. I'd love to hear what you guys are working on. And that's it for this week's Sewing Talk Tuesday. I know it's a quick one, but sometimes, you know, we just don't have a whole lot of time. If you'd like to follow me on social media, all the links are down below in the description box. If you see things that I use in my craft room that you would also like to purchase, those are also in the description box. I am an Amazon and Cricut affiliate, so if you do purchase through any of the Amazon or Cricut links, I do get a small commission. Some of the other links that are down there, I don't get a small commission. I just share them because I love them. So there's that. And that's it for Sewing Talk Tuesday. Keep on crafting, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.